Welcome everyone to Vested Interests. This is Shane. It is May the 12th, back again for another stock pick of the day. Today we are going to cover LyondellBassell Industries. It has been very volatile on the market, boys and girls. It is red one day, green the next. Even within the same day might be a swing of 3 to 4%. Some stocks even down 50, 60, 70%. Hopefully you weren't in any of those and that you should have known better investing in the overhyped stocks that some of these gurus, fake gurus out there have been pushing over the last several years. Valuations matter. They always matter. Try to figure out what a company is actually worth based on the actual sales, the debt the company has, free cash flow, cash on hand, debt to equity ratios. These things are all important. You should understand them before you invest and look at the sales year over year. Are they paying down debt? Are they buying back shares, or are they diluting the shareholders? If a company is diluting you as a shareholder, which means they are putting more shares onto the market year after year, quarter after quarter, the stock value should go down unless the sales and the free cash flow is going up considerably. There is a value to a stock. Just because it's a great company doesn't necessarily mean the stock price matches the company. Great companies can become overvalued, and if you overpay, it hurts future returns. So with that said, we are looking at LyondellBassell. As you can see, LyondellBassell. About our company, LyondellBassell is one of the largest plastic chemicals and refining companies in the world. Every day our employees work around the clock to reliably and safely deliver the chemicals, polymers, fuels, and technologies that advance solutions to our world's biggest challenges. We are the leading producer of oxy-fuels worldwide, as well as polypropylene in North America and Europe. We are also the world's largest global licensor of polyfin technologies. They're in chemicals, polymers, advanced polymers, fuels, and technology. If you want to know more about them, www.lyondellbassell.com. As you can see here at the close of business on May the 12th, they were down $105.76, down 1.53% on the day. 52-week range, a low of $84.17, a high of $118.02. As you can see, again, very volatile over the course of the day, down almost to 103 it looks like, and recouped back to 105, but down overall from 107.40 on the day. That's where they closed yesterday. Market cap of $34.646 billion, a beta of 1.39, so it is a little more volatile than the overall market. For dividend of $4.52 per year, paid out quarterly, so divide by 4, tell you what you're going to be paid out quarterly. And it has a nice dividend yield of 4.28%. Ex-dividend date, last one was March 4th, 2022. And Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information from, has a 1-year estimated target of $119.81. According to some additional analysts, according to the 31 stock analysts that have taken a look at this, they call it a buy, actually right on the edge of a buy and a hold. Looks like they have a low of $96.96, so that would be a continued decrease in share price of 8.32%. Again, one to watch. If it gets closer to that 96 low, or even the 80 something dollars we saw in the previous, would be the area you might want to try to pick that up at. They do have an average target of $122.20 over the next year. That's 15.54% increase in share price from where it currently sits. And if it was to hit their estimated high of $143.35, that would be a potential of 35.73% upside in stock appreciation. And then obviously you'd collect that 4% dividend yield while you waited for that appreciation. And like I said, if you get it lower, closer to this 96 or even lower, that will increase that 4.22 or 4.3% up even higher. You might be able to get a 4.5, 4.6% dividend return, which is what you want to do. So trying to bring you value, guys, in the stock market. Like I said, a lot of volatility right now. In a bear market, there typically is. You're going to have quite volatile days and weeks where stocks drop significantly throughout the week, even throughout the day. One of the things you might want to do is look at a stock, set the price that you want to buy it at, and set that up the night before or the morning of. I want to buy this stock at $82, 10 shares. You throw $820 over into your account, and then if it hits that price, you're locked in and you'll buy those shares at that price. That's one way to do it. It's a limit purchase. So think about that in these markets. It might be a way to get some shares at additionally low prices. But these are supposed to be quick hitters, so I'm getting a little long-winded on this one. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of LyondellBassell Industries. Let me know what you think about the video, this stock series, stock pick of the day series. How are you guys liking it? What other stocks would you like me to cover? Are there any out there that you're adding to your portfolio, in your watch list? Ones that you're thinking about or have been adding? I'd love to hear that. Drop the comments down below. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions and or opinion. Most importantly, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever we put out new content. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.